future of admin success is all about empowering users.
Streamlining processes so that we can move faster.
It's learning.
Every day I learn something new.
I am constantly trying to grow.
Being kind of the subject matter expert, I love that.
It's innovation.
You could be messing with Tableau,
Flows.
There's so much fun things that you can do as an admin.
It's community.
I love my community.
Everything that we do to support each other also helps support ourselves in our own careers.
It's giving back.
Helping people realize their potential.
To me, that's the ultimate success.
I can do this, and I want others to know they can do it too.
What does success look like?